Oh, Lucy, is it?
Yes.
Hello, my name's Chester, please. Locate Stefan, 2 seconds.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, not a problem.
Did you have any concerns that there was a rise in the mortality rate?
Yes.
Okay, so tell me about that. What concerns did you have?
I think we'd all just noticed as a team in general, the nurse and staff, that this was a rise compared to previous years.
The motivation behind it is extreme excitement and exhilaration from the actual act of killing. And it involves control of the victim, a sense of achievement, power over the victim. And often individuals have this urge for a sense of release or relief, sometimes from symptoms like depression, and the behaviour can become addictive and quite irresistible.
I think psychologically healthy people do not kill. It's the act of someone who's disturbed, and typically what happens is there's a disconnect from the emotional self, so an inability to really connect at a deep level